Okay, your RAV4, how to use your AC. So, what you do is once your car is running, you want to push up on here, and then you press the AC button right here, and the light will be highlighted. See that collar? That means it's on. And this means the air is within the car. It's not coming from the outside, it's air within the car. And the best thing to do is to put your windows up. Put your windows up. That way the AC can do its magic and it can make the car nice and cool. And to adjust it down, as you can see right here, the bar, higher means it's faster, more air, and you can make the AC go right at your face, which is a circle, or to the bottom of your non-feet. And this defrost too, which will defrost the window up ahead. But so you can have it at your feet, and also a picture will show, and the vents will be down here at your feet. So it looks like bird crap, but it's actually foot powder. And I had calamine lotion on my legs from poison ivy. But anyway, so and then you can do feet, the non-feet, because this person doesn't have a foot or feet, and a circle head. You can have it towards the circle head, which will be up here, the vents. So the air conditioner will go right to your circle head and to your non-feet, which don't exist. See right down there. Or you can just keep it going both ways, but it doesn't matter. But it kind of just lets the air go both ways. And then you can adjust the temperature. See, 72 degrees, that's what the thermostat. You can knock it down to 71 and it'll make it, that's the thermostat, it'll make it 71 degrees in your car. So that's how it is. This is how you do your air conditioning on your Toyota RAV4 vehicular transportation machine in the year 2019. It's gasoline, and this is how it is. So you watching on YouTube land, that's how you do your AC on this vehicle. It's a Toyota. See, Toyota, the RAV4, and it's got all these little buttons. That's electronic, and where you press the button and it pushes a little button which is connected to a board, like an electric board, and it stops and moves electric current, resistance, and it's electrical theory, electrical engineering type stuff going on. But this is your automotive, and you're on the consumer side. You are the user. You are driving the experience, and when the weather is hot, you want the air to be cool. So air conditioning is a convenience that we have developed and invented, and it's pretty awesome. So there's all kind of stuff under your hood, under your engine bay, that contributes to the making air cool. So it's a lot of fun, and that's how you do this on a Toyota RAV4. And you yourself have a great day. Thanks for watching. Let's get to it. Let's do it. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Watch my other videos on all kind of other stuff, and you can have a good time. You can have a real good time on the Matthumanpizza channel, just watching all kinds of different videos that I have here. It's just an all-around good time. You can listen. You can see that this is the inside air, and then this defrosting. My next video will be on how to defrost your car in the wintertime. So without further ado, have a great day. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to defrost your car. Defrost the rear window and defrost the front window. Let me turn this AC off. In the wintertime, it gets super cold, and the ice builds up on your windshields, on your windows, your windshields everywhere. And this redirects air, warm air, to the rear window and the front window. That's how you do it. You press those buttons, and that's how you do it. That's how you do that. But for now, that's for this video. But bonus video is me telling you I have a video on how to use your AC on this vehicle. So this is kind of a silly little after video, but alright, you have yourself a great day. Have a great day.